Hi friends, welcome back to Social Science class. Myself Johnson George. In this video, we are going to discuss a new topic, prejudice and discrimination. In the first chapter of the third unit, we learned India it is a land of the diversity. Now we are going to start the second chapter, prejudice and discrimination. In this video, just I can give you one introduction for this chapter, prejudice and discrimination. Friends, we learned in our previous chapter, that means first chapter, India it is a land of diversity. What kind of diversities are there? Diversity is present in social groups, languages, food habits, religious and other social aspects. So the diversity is there in our country. It is a land of diversity. Diversity in social groups, languages, food habits, religious beliefs of the people, social life of the people, etc. And we understood this diversity continues to exist. Why? Because individuals and communities accept their differences. We accepted the differences here. And we depend on each other to fulfill our needs. We are depending on others. As the people, they are doing different activities here. Most of our needs are fulfilled. So this difference is always a blessing for us. That was the point we discussed in our previous chapter. But what happened there? This diversity is sometimes misunderstood. This diversity misunderstood or they are wrongly interpreted. And what happened there? Usually happens when we form certain negative or bad opinions about those who are not like us. Sometimes people, what they are doing there, suppose some people are not liked by them. They are always telling about the bad, the wrong thing about that particular person, about particular concept, about that particular language or that religion, etc. So we look them only the negative side. We looked only at the negative side of that person, negative side of that religion, negative side of that community. This negative opinion is called prejudice. What we called? We called prejudice. We are not accepting the diversities, we are not respecting the diversities, and we are always looking at the negative side. And that attitude is called prejudice. In this chapter, we are going to study all about the prejudice and how it is possible to overcome this prejudice. Okay, so the prejudice are different types, in the different forms. That means we came across people who are different form as and we may find them strange and therefore look down them. We are meeting some people. We came across some people and we look, their language is different. Their way of dressing is different. So we thinking that they are strangers for us. And we look them down. Or we look them as inferiors. One example given in our textbook. That is a religious religious prejudice. The example given in our textbook, that means Hindi speaking people, we are speaking Hindi. So that is sometimes some people telling that is other languages are not good. Hindi is the best language. Other languages are not good. Yes, other languages also good language. Equally important. In that language also various literatures are there, various works were there. But that person telling Hindi is a good language. Or Hindi speaking person think the Hindi is the best language and all other languages are inferior to it. This is a prejudice against language other than Hindi. It is called a prejudice against other languages. So a person with such a prejudice may even ill-treat or make fun of those who speak other languages or other than Hindi language. This is one example. Like that many examples are there. People telling that is my religion is best, all other religions are not good. It's a kind of prejudice. My race is good, all other races are not good, inferior. A kind of prejudice. My region is the best region in this world and all other regions are not good. Another kind of the prejudice. So like that prejudice always make a negative impact in our society. Then one of the serious problem of this prejudice is that stereotype. What is called a stereotype. That also you want to study in this video. Here the people give some image to other people. A particular image. What image there? For example, you can see that we may heard that girls are not good at mathematics. Or boys are naughty and girls are gentle. Any truth is there? Girls are not good at mathematics? May, few one. But not all the girls. Boys are naughty. No. All the boys are not naughty. May, some boys may naughty, but all the boys are not naughty. But this particular person giving an image that is all the girls. The girl means not good in mathematics. Boy means naughty. Like that, we are giving some image to other people or other group of people. That is called a stereotype. We are not understanding the feeling of other people. We are not respecting the individualities of other people. We not recognize each individual is a unique creature. And each individual has special qualities. Nothing we accept. Always we are telling that is, yes, girl means she is not good in mathematics. Boy means he is naughty. How many boys are there? Very good boys. How many girls are there? Very good in mathematics. We never see them. We never accept that one. We generalizing some concepts. It is called a stereotype attitude of the people. Sometimes we created the stereotype about particular region, religion, race, or economic background, etc. For example, sometimes people telling that is fair-skinned people are superior to dark-skinned people. Now we will study the South Africa's case in our next period or next class. There the South African government formed by the white people, they told all the blacks or the Negroes were inferior. in the name of the color of their skin, they discriminated the people. Sometimes in our society also telling that is the people of the town and cities, they are very clever, and people of the village, they are not clever. Is it true? No. Who can say that all the villages are not clever? How many clever villages are there? How many intelligent people are living in villages? How we can say that the villages are not clever? All the people, those who are living in cities, they are very clever. No. They are also clever people are there, or other kind of people also living in the cities. In villages also, the clever people is there, or other people also there. So we cannot say that is the village people is not clever and the city people only the clever. Sometimes we are telling that is people with physical disabilities, they are stupid, useless people. But how many physically handicapped people? They developed or they discovered or they contributed many things to our economy or society. Now just finished our Para-Olympics. See the success or the achievement of that our physically disabled people there. So these people with having this stereotype attitude, they always hurt the feeling of other people. Because of this stereotype attitude, sometimes happening is a conflict between either various communities and the people or the group of people. So both the prejudice and stereotype attitudes are not good. We should overcome these all the things. How to possible that? That we will discuss in our upcoming live class. I hope you understood all the points. We discussed the 2 points only today. What is called the prejudice and what is called the stereotype. Thank you.